Bienvenue guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will be doing some craft stuffed salmon. And first we're going to be starting with our dried seasoning. And for these dried seasonings we have salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, parsley, and I also have some Slap Your Mama seasoning. Next in here I have some chopped onion, garlic, bell peppers, and seasoning peppers. Back here we have some breadcrumbs. I also have some lump crab meat that I'll be using. I have some spinach in the back and of course some cream cheese. Now there are other ingredients that we'll be adding along the way. Now first we're going to start by cutting into our salmon pieces. And I am cutting according to the thickness of the salmon. I went in about 1 inch. Now we're going to mix the seasonings together. But first we're going to go in with some oil and we're going to brush that oil all over the salmon. And then we're going to start adding those seasonings. I'm just lightly dusting the seasonings onto the salmon. And next I'm just going to lightly press the seasonings onto the fish. And then I'm just going to set the fish aside whilst I get that stuffing ready. So I have a question. When you guys cook your salmon with the skin on, do you season the skin? Because I typically season the skin, even if I'm taking it out after. Am I doing too much, or that's the norm to season the skin? Let me know in the comments. And now all the salmon pieces are all seasoned. I'm going to place it to a side and start with the filling. Now for the filling, I started off with some olive oil and some spinach. I allowed the spinach to cook for about 2 minutes. Then I went in with that chopped veggies that I showed you guys earlier. I'm just going to toss it around for another minute until it is fully cooked. And then I'm going to start to take it out. And now the spinach has cooled and we're going to go in with our cream cheese. Next, we're going to go in with that lump crab meat, followed by our breadcrumbs. And of course, the rest of that seasoning we had from earlier. And I am squeezing in the juice of half of a lemon, also adding mayo and some W sauce. And then we're just going to mix it all together. And now the stuffing is all mixed together. And next we're going to start putting it into the fish. So first I'm just going to take the piece of fish into my hand. I'm just going to take a spoon and I'm going to add that stuffing first in between where I made that incision. And then we're just going to build on that. Now you can go according to how much you would like. Next I'm going to top it off with some breadcrumbs, followed by about a teaspoon of butter. And I'll be cooking the salmon in my smokeless indoor Ninja grill. And I'm going to start by adding the pieces. The pieces will all fit. I have 6 pieces of salmon. As you guys can see, every piece did fit. And I'm placing it on the grill settings, and that is at 350 degrees. And after 15 minutes of cooking, this is how it looks. Now you can cook it for less time. I do like mine to have that texture, so I left it in for longer, but you can do it for about 10 to 12 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video and you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I do look forward to seeing you guys tuned into a next one. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.